Hello everyone, I am Utshap and hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to see how to find the bus, train or metro routes to reach our destination location using Google Maps. So at first you have to open the Google Maps on your browser. Next you will find the search bar at the upper left corner. Here you have to search your destination location. Suppose I want to go to the Techno India University, so I have to write the university name here. So now it's showing the location of the Techno India University. So to reach the destination, you have to get the direction. So you have to click on the direction tab here. Now at first it will ask you to give your location, that is the starting point location from where you want to go to the destination location. So suppose I want to go from my home. So I will simply click on the home. Otherwise you can also write down your address here. So at first I will select my home location from here. Now it's showing all the routes available from my home location to the destination location. So now here you will find different modes of traveling. So it's showing if you have a car, then you can simply reach to the destination using your car. Otherwise you can also choose the train, bus or metro. So for that you have to choose this bus sign or metro sign. Now it's showing all the recommended routes to reach your destination location using bus, metro, etc. So, so if you, as you are seeing here that it's showing the total hours it will take to reach the destination location from my home location. So if I choose this route, it will take 1 hour and 1 minute. So if I choose the second one, then it will take 1 hour 7 minutes. So let's go with the first one. So here we will find all the details about the route. So to reach my destination, at first I have to reach the Panchanagram bus stoppage by simply walking. Then from there I will get the bus, that is the bus number is showing that C43. So is also showing at the below that in every 30 minutes you will get the C43 from Panchanagram bus stoppage. Now if you click on the arrow sign, it will show all the bus stoppage that you will find from your home location or starting point location to the destination location. So now to reach my destination location, at first I have to reach the Shasta Bhavan bus stoppage using the bus C43. Then I simply have to reach the Techno India University by walking, and it will take about 8 minutes and its distance is 600 meter. Now if you go more below that, then you will find the total cost you have to pay to reach the destination location if you choose this route. Now let's choose the second one. So the second one is showing that it will take 1 hour and 7 minutes total to reach my destination location. So to get the details, you have to choose the details. Now it's also showing that to reach my destination, at first I have to reach the Panchanagram bus stoppage from my home, and it will take about 10 minutes and the distance is 850 meters. Now I will get the M14 bus from there, and in every 24 minutes it passes from the Panchanagram, and there are total 14 stoppages from Panchanagram to Techno India. And if you click on the arrow sign, it will show all the stoppages in between your location and the destination location. So the my destination location from my home using the M14 bus is Techno India. I simply have to reach the Techno India using the M14 bus, and then I have to reach the Techno India University by simply walking, and it will take about 3 minutes, and the distance is 107 meter, and the total cost I have to pay to reach my destination is rupees 9. So hope you have find this video helpful, and if you have any question, please write down in the comment section. I will be happy to answering all these questions, and please like, share and subscribe my channel to get all the latest updates. Thank you.